I'm Indra Deshmukh, and I'm a 10th grader at Munich International School, and I was recently selected as a finalist for the MYP Student Innovator Grant. The grant is a platform that allows students in MYP to come forward with ideas that they think will help their communities, and if they're selected as finalists, then they're funded and their projects are allowed to become reality. I've always been passionate about nature, and I've always enjoyed learning about it. I know that I've been in the right environment and I've been nurtured in a way that allowed my passion to grow, and I wanted to give similar opportunities to other children with the same interest. So that's how my idea for Nurture Nature's Future was created. And we basically wanted to be a platform or a community forum where people from around the world, young people from around the world, can come together and share ideas about the environment, not just about the huge issues that we have to tackle, but about smaller things that every person can do in their own backyard to help change things. We want to make every person a change maker when it comes to the environment.